Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. And those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you guys step by step on how to create these easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Halloween is very close to coming, and many of you guys are probably thinking of what to dress up for Halloween this year, and I know that Halloween this year is probably going to be huge because since last year's Halloween wasn't so, well, I don't really think there was Halloween last year. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, you guys have probably already known I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to create Minnie Mouse costume. Yes, the Minnie Mouse costume, as you can see from what I am wearing, quite similar to Minnie Mouse's costume. So if you are thinking of being Minnie Mouse this year's Halloween, you clicked on the right video. So I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way, quick DIY Minnie Mouse costume that you can make, very creative way, and also, did I mention, inexpensive as well. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video.
You will need a black turtleneck top and thick black tights, white sneakers, white disposable gloves. Now to make the skirt, I'm going to be using this plastic tablecloth. Now since this is a rectangular tablecloth size, I definitely had to fold it in half just to get an idea of how long by lengthwise I want the skirt to be. And I think I should just keep it above my kneecap. So once I found the right length and how I want the skirt to look like, now it's time to work on with shaping the skirt. Once I've found the correct length, next what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much just going to fold the tablecloth just like this, and then I'm going to find the folded part of the tablecloth, which is this one, and using a elastic band like this, I'm going to simply put it through just like this. Since I had folded the tablecloth in half, it actually made a line at the part that I had folded, so that's the line that I'm following. Once the elastic band is in, I'm gonna try to push the tablecloth so that the skirt looks more pleated like this. Continue doing it until it looks like this. Next, I'm going to cut out the extra elastic band, and this is how it will look like. Now for this open part, I'm going to simply seal the skirt up using some tape. And once that's complete, this is how the skirt will look like. Now to make the Minnie Mouse headband, you're simply just gonna need a headband like this and some felt fabric. I'm going to be using the colors red, white, and black to complete the headband. And I'm going to start now using some white felt fabric. I'm going to be drawing out some circles. Once they're drawn up and they're cutted, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a red felt fabric and I'm going to place the circles onto the red felt fabric using a hot glue gun. Make sure to place the circles not on the middle of the fabric but only on the left and right side, keeping the middle part clear. Now to make the bow, I'm just going to simply fold it down by just about 1/3 and continue doing it until I reach to the top. Next, I'm going to cut out a small piece of felt fabric so that way I could put it in the middle of the bow so that the bow doesn't open up. And I'm going to hot glue that piece. Here is the finished look. Now to make the headband, I'm going to be simply using this headband, and I know it's a cat ear headband, but it'll still work. Using 2 sheets of felt fabric on both each sides. I'm going to cut out the shape of the mouse ears. Once that's complete, now it's time to hot glue the ears. Once the ears are complete, it's now finally time to place the bow. I'm just going to simply hot glue it and place it on the ears, just like this. And once that's complete, it is time to reveal the final look.
And here is the finished look. I have to say that it was quite a inexpensive way to make a costume. I would have to say that you guys must try this DIY project. To be honest with you guys, I think overall, looking at the price range and from what I found from my closet, I pretty much completed this look in just a few hours. So it didn't take me much long either. It was something creative, also inexpensive and easy to make as well. So I did hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. For all my video updates, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. Be sure to give me a follow to stay up to date on when I post my next video. Also, for more DIY creative videos, don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is _Amanpreet Matharu as well. The link is down in the description below. And here are the usernames for both my socials. Also, if you guys do attempt to make the Minnie Mouse costume pretty much using the same steps that I had shown in this video, be sure to tag me. I would love to see how your Minnie Mouse costume came out at. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel, so be sure to check out my vlog channel. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below and just up here, and here is the name of my vlog channel.
Also, today's video shout out goes to every one of you. Happy Halloween!
Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, stay spooky, and happy Halloween for those of you who are celebrating. And bye.